It has been 2 years in the making. A new clinic for military veterans opened today in Colorado Springs.
The new clinic is off Centennial Boulevard and Fillmore Street on the city's northwest side. New at 5 o'clock, KRDO News Channel 13's Eric Fink is there live. And Eric, veterans have been anxious to have this new facility open.
Absolutely right, James, Heather. There are hundreds of Southern Coloradans already taking advantage of what this 76,000 square foot building has to offer. There are many more services here at this VA clinic than either of the two clinics on Spruce and Fontanero in the Springs. But one veteran I talked with wonders if that negative image of the VA can be improved.
Chris Dyke is a U.S. Army veteran who spent a year in Iraq and was wounded several times in his tour of duty. He says he's 80% disabled and suffers from traumatic brain injury. Chris was one of the first patients inside these doors.
Now everything is in one spot, so it should be a lot easier.
We have worked several years to get this open, and we are having so much fun with it, and it's so great for the whole team to be under one roof so we can talk to each other and patients can just come to one building, have all of their care done at one time.
While Chris is excited for this new beginning, he's also a bit skeptical.
If you have issues with going out in public or going anywhere else and they won't see you for 2 weeks and they change your appointment 6 times in between there, it's a nice building, but if it's the same procedures and the same people running it, it's not going to matter how nice it is.
One of the VA's main goals with opening this clinic is that it means thousands of vets will no longer have to go to Denver to get care. But that's not the case for Chris. He is a thyroid patient, and he says he has to go 65 miles north on Wednesday for an ultrasound of his heart and a stress test. Inside the new building, there's a radiology department complete with MRI and CAT scans, more than 60 exam rooms, primary and mental health care, and other services.
It is a beautiful building. I think it's one of a kind in the nation for veterans.
Now, veterans looking for a lift to this new clinic are getting some help from Mountain Metro Transit. Route 2 that goes from downtown to the El Paso County Service Center will stop here at this brand new VA clinic. We're live tonight in Colorado Springs. Eric Fink, KRDO News Channel 13.
All right, thanks for that information.
Let's get you over to Jason now in the Storm Tracker 13 Center. And